Ito yung build. Ayan. Ito quick specs lang. 7600X B650M Aorus Elite na motherboard. Ang SSD natin ito Lexar 1TB. T-Force Delta, ayan, 6000 MHz, 32GB. CL30 yan, so maganda yan. And then itong, ayan, Osypus Beta F12. So ito yung gagamitin nating power supply. Core GX yan, gold. Ito yung ating 9060 XT. Black yan, 16GB. LM240 budget meal ng Deepcool. Nalalagyan siya ng image, JF, anything, pwede dyan. Tapos ito naman yung furnacer. Nandun siya between MATX tsaka ITX eh. Maliit lang din siya. So ito na yung output nung build. So nag-team kami. Heavy Arms yung pangalan. Red Team.